Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed difference between fats and oils, and today we are going to study sources of lipids. So, let's discuss sources of lipids and details. Sources of lipids. Lipids are mainly obtained from plants and animals. They are an important part of our daily diet. So let's discuss sources of lipids one by one. First one is animal sources of lipids. Animal products are rich in fats and mostly saturated fatty acids. Example: source: butter, type of lipid, saturated fat; ghee, saturated fat; meat, beef, mutton; animal fat; fish, fish oil contains unsaturated fat; milk and cheese, milk fat; egg yolk, cholesterol and fat. Animal fats are usually solid at room temperature. Second one, plant sources of lipids. Plants mainly provide oils, unsaturated fatty acids. Example: source and types of lipid. Source: olive oils, types of lipid: unsaturated fat; sunflower oil, unsaturated fat; and mustard oil, unsaturated fat; coconut oil, saturated; plant exception: nuts, almonds, and peanuts, healthy fats; seeds, sesame, flaxseed, essential fatty acids. Plant oils are usually liquid at room temperature. Third one, marine sources of lipid. Fish and seafood are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Example: salmon, tuna, and sardines. Fourth one, processed or manufactured sources of lipids. Lipids are also obtained from processed food, margarines, fried foods, fast foods, battery products. Excess consumption may cause health problem. Importance of lipid sources: provide energy is 9 kilocalorie per gram, help absorb vitamins A, D, E, K, maintain body temperature, protect internal organs. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures and sources of lipids. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, in which we will discuss uses of lipids. Inshallah. Thank you for listening.